Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. So do you want to create a high converting landing page on a Squarespace, whether it's for leads, sales or sign-ups? This step-by-step guide will show you how to design a professionally landing page that actually works. So let's get right into it. First, log into your Squarespace and click create a site. Select a minimal template like Nolan, Brian or Bellerite, whichever is best for conversions. Click Start with this design and customize it. Choose a template with a clean, focused layout so there is no distraction. Now, let's build your landing page step by step. Remove any unnecessary pages. You only need to focus on one. Click Edit and add a compelling headline. Make it clear and benefit driven. Use high quality images or videos that support your message. Add a strong call to action button like sign up now or get started. Keep the design simple, use 2 to 3 colors and a readable font. Now to boost your conversions, follow the best practices. Use short and persuasive copy, get straight to the point, include social proof like testimonials, logo of brands you have worked with, add a lead capture form, ask for only essential info like email and name. Make it mobile friendly, over 50% of the visitors are mainly on your mobile. So now let's launch your landing page and track results. Click Publish to make your page live. Go to Marketing, SEO to customize your search engines. Use Google Analytics and Squarespace Insights to track visitor behavior and conversions. And that's it. With the right template, strong copy, and a clear CTA, you'll have a high converting Squarespace landing page in no time. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you.